Good morning, everyone. My name is Ruth Sylvester, and today I'm going to speak about idioms. So, idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language which do not make sense literally, but we understand what they mean. So, idiom is something which we use in our day to day life, saying some sentences, but it does not mean its literal meaning. It has a different meaning. So, let us learn something more about idioms. Let's take some example. Non-native speakers of English might scratch their head when someone says it's raining cats and dogs. Even for me, when I learned idioms, when I came to know about idioms, I was quite confused with the words. Same way, like when if somebody says that it's raining cats and dogs, you may scratch your head to find out what does it mean. Or if someone says, I finally saw the light, this all words makes you confused. What does it actually mean? So the it's raining cats and dogs, which means in an idiom it means that it's raining very hard. When we say it's raining cats and dogs, it means it's raining very hard. And the next word, when we say seeing the light, is used when someone finally realized something. So in these two examples we saw, it does not have its literal meaning, but it means something which is different. Now let us see some of the animal idioms and others too. Let's start with animals idioms. As blind as a bat, which means unable to see well. As gentle as a lamb, to be pleasant, caring and calm. Curiosity killed the cat, which means being inquisitive about other people's affair may get you into trouble. Straight from the horse's mouth, which means information that is obtained from the best possible authority on the matter. As sly as a fox, which means one who is very clever, cunning, wily, tricky or artful, like a fox. A copycat refers to the human tendency to duplicate. Fight like cat and dog. You have to have angry argument all the time. Smell a rat, which means to detect something suspicious. Now let us learn about some bird idioms. A home bird, someone who refers to spend his social and free time at home. Swan song, which means a final appearance. Bird's eye view, which means a view from the above, a broad perspective on something. Kill two birds at one stone, which means act in such a way as to produce two desirable effects. Fox in the henhouse, which means someone who caused trouble. A little bird told me, which means I don't wish to divulge where I got the information. Flew the coop means left or escaped. Eagle eye, having sharp vision. Sick as a parrot, very disappointed. To have butterflies in your stomach, to be nervous. Next is food idioms. So idioms with food. Butter someone up, which means to be extra nice to someone. Cool as a cucumber, which means very relaxed. Souped up, which means made more powerful or stylish. Sell like hotcakes, which means brought by many people. Use your noodles, which means use your brain. Big cheese, very important person. Take something with a pinch of salt, which means don't consider something 100% accurate. Don't cry over spilled milk, which means don't get upset over something that has happened and cannot be changed. Egg someone on, it means urge someone to do something. A hard nut to crack, difficult to understand, often a person. Smart cookie, very intelligent person. Cream of the crop, the best. Apple of one's eye, a person that is adored by someone. Bring home the bacon, which means earn the income. Hot potato, a person who is often in trouble. Cheesy, silly. Carrot top, a person with red or orange hair. Full of beans, which means have a lot of energy. Bread and butter, necessities or the main thing. Bad egg, a person with red or orange hair. Having bigger fish to try. Have more important things to do. Go banana, which means become crazy. Bun in the oven, which means necessities, the or the main things. A piece of cake, something very easy to do. So these were food idioms. Now let us learn about people idioms. A couch potato, a lazy person, busybody, who interferes in others' life and want to know everything about everyone. Behind the times, which means an old-fashioned person. Worry what? A person who often worries, especially about things that are not important. Down to earth, a practical, sensible, and realistic person. Go getter, a person who is active, energetic, and has the initiative to pursue the things they want. Social butterfly, an extroverted person who loves to socialize. Armchair critic, a person sitting on an armchair and passing comments does not help at all. Cheapskate, a person who hates to spend much money. So that's all for about idioms, and I taught you different types of idioms: animal idioms, people idioms, food idioms, and bird idioms. In my next coming video, I'll be speaking about how to use in our day-to-day life. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have a good day.